Hi, welcome to Yarn Again. I wanted to share a Mary Maxim mystery bag haul today, and one of the makes I used some of the yarn for. This is the first item in the bag, the Mary Maxim Prism. It is color dye lot. Okay. Sunset. I'm learning, sorry. It is a light number 3. Look at the different variants of this. These happen to be my favorite color. Look at the purple. That's gorgeous. In this one, I got one of those. Oh, I got two. I got two. No label on this one. Oh, there it is. It fell off. Got 2 of those. Let me put them back here so we have more room. And we got one of these. This is the Burnett Pop by Yarnspirations. This is a 4. Let's try to read that right side up. That might work better. It is planetary. There's the information. You can wash it. You can't triangle it. I don't know what that means. No ironing, drying. Knitting needle is 5mm. Crochet is a 5mm or an H hook in America. Look at the pretty colors. Lovely. Put it back here. And we got 4 of these. Let me take the Karen Simply Soft. We have 4. These gray blacks, great for a gentleman's project with Christmas coming. Gray heather, marl. A 4. It looks like a thin 4. Maybe just a 4. It's a twisted yarn. It says an H hook or 5mm. Wash, dry, no bleach. I think that's bleach. And in the last, no, not the last. Then we have this one. It feels kind of like a cotton. Let's see. It is Softy Baby Colors. I say that with question because it feels like a cotton. A number 3, lightweight, lovely pink. It calls for a G. It is. It's twisted. It is soft. I got 4 of those as well. And I'll move the bag and I'll show you the one I used. I got a purple. It's gorgeous. I'm making Christmas gifts currently. So I had to whip up a little Christmas gift, little fingerless gloves action here. I'll get better as I go along, sorry. And a scarf cowl kind of thing. The buttons actually do work. This is not from a pattern, I just whipped it up real quick. It's just a front and back post. Pretty easy. I could do that. I'll get better with the videos. Thank you for stopping by. If you can, please like and share and subscribe. Have a great day, and thank you for coming to Yarn Again.